Hi, I'm Nathan Baker. I'm the Controls and Automation Manager at Leadec. We're here at ProMat showing some of our custom conveyor solutions and automation. What we have here is a standard chain conveyor that's being controlled by a variable frequency drive from SEW. These allow our customers to have field distributed drive applications that keep panel sizes smaller and make installation much quicker and easier because they are connectorized. They only need 480 networking and low voltage to operate in the field. Here we're showing a control desk. These can be customized to any manufacturer specifications. Gives you a small compact area for your circuit breakers, your power input, your networking. We have a nice HMI here that's showing our simple controls for this AGV system. Here we have the power supply for our AGV that's running. This power supply is by SEW. This is an induction system. There's an embedded cable in the mat that constantly provides power to the AGV. This AGV uses supercapacitors instead of a battery, which allows for quicker charging and allows you to have less AGVs in your system because you don't need dedicated charging stations. So what we're showing here is our Emulate 3D offerings. This is an example of a simulation and emulation of a PLC program and a conveyor system. These are great for doing pre-commissioning or virtual commissioning of programs and systems before they are installed. The simulations work well to determine cycle times, bottlenecks, problems in the system that can be engineered out before the final system is constructed. So what we have here is a SEW AGV. This AGV is a pallet conveyor AGV. We have other offerings as well. They're very customizable, different top modules, different control systems. Everything is done through MQTT. They're embedded safety. As you can see, it stopped as I was in front of it. These allow them to go through your factory and bypass obstacles. This helps our customers by allowing them to eliminate floor conveyors and mezzanine conveyors. They can get products from point A to point B multiple ways, depending on the type of AGV, using SLAM navigation and LiDAR. These AGVs can determine their own path based on the orders. This provides them with the flexibility of changing pickup and drop-off locations dynamically without having to have downtime to reconstruct conveyor systems or rework embedded lines in the floor. This is showing some of our conveyor options that we can provide to customers. Chain conveyors, belt conveyors, low profile belt conveyors. Over here we have various types of roller conveyor and another type of chain conveyor. This one is demonstrating an MDR conveyor, a motor-driven roller with the MDR controller here. This is a modular system that can be installed and controlled with or without a PLC. And we find that these are great for customers because the install is quick, they're very quiet. They only require 24 volts to operate.